Good day, Ade Lamidi here, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to do a basic WordPress setup and also install a theme that we're going to be using on the Just Video Marketing custom domain. So with that said, I am just going to log into my system, my WordPress dashboard, and show you how to do this. Thank you. So here we are in on my browser, and I'm just going to log in and just show you around. So we're here in the dashboard, and the first thing that we need to do is go to plugins and installed plugins. So we have just one plugin here, and this plugin is vital for WordPress website to function properly. So if I just activate this plugin, normally you would need to get an API key, but mine is already defaulted. So I'll just show you how to go about getting an API key. So if I just disconnect this from the account, what you need to do is set up an Akismet account. And basically you need Akismet so that visitors to your website do not spam your website with with unnecessary messages. So what you do is you do set up Akismet account, and basically for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to be going for the personal option, and then I would just enter my email address, my first name, my last name, and the site I'm going to be using it on, which is just videomarketing.com. Please verify by checking each box. I don't have ads on my site. I don't sell products or services on my site. I don't promote a business on my site. So we meet all those criteria. So we just do, and then we should have a confirmation code. So I'm just going to pause this this video, get the confirmation code, and come back to you. So we've got a confirmation code. We're going to just continue and complete the sign up. And as you can see, it tells us that we've sent an email with our API key, and we can just take that API key and add it to our system. So I'll just grab the API key from my mailbox and add it to our WordPress Akismet plugin. So I'll be back in a minute. So I've abstracted the API key, and I'm just going to enter it manually. So we've extracted the API key, and according to the instructions, we just need to go to settings, and just enter the API key. And once we enter that, we can just connect it to our account. And as you can see, it says ArchisNet is now protecting your site from spam. Happy blogging. That's all we need to do. I think we can leave everything else as it is and just do save changes. So our site is now in a position to be in a place where we're not going to be spammed. So the next thing we're going to do is go to appearances and themes. And for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to be using this theme called MH Newstext Lite. It's a very simple theme, and it's very good on the eye. It's very practicable. It's easy to use, and we are going to be using it for what we're trying to do here. So I'm just going to activate it, and we might need to do some customizations as we go along, but just for now we are just going to visit the site and see what it looks like. So yes, our site is now beginning to take shape, and one more thing that we need to do is go back to the dashboard and go to settings and Permalinks. We want to be able to customize each of our posts. So in order to do that, we're going to have to use a custom structure. So just in case you are doing this for the first time, this is what you need to be able to add to the end of your root domain. /% postname %. That's it. We do a save, and that concludes the basic WordPress setup and the theme installation. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a lot more plugins to your WordPress site, just so that it becomes much more functional and also applicable to you. So with that said, thanks for watching this video. Do remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified once I drop some more videos in this series, and hope you've enjoyed today. If you've got any comments whatsoever, please leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Thanks, and I'll speak to you soon.